morning, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about my medicines. Isodex for cough syrup. Tal 250 mg for shivering.
Heavy?
Heavy shiver for heavy fever and for shivering. Tuck in your nose. You add these drops in your nose to give it a free breathing. This is PCM tablet for fever. If we use this tablet for our fever will decrease, and this is antibiotic tablet.
That's it.
Thank you.